Do you own a mysterious black stone and think it might be Carbonado? Today, I'll share with you some simple and quick ways to find out whether the Carbonado you have is real or not. First, try the hardness test. Carbonado is one of the hardest stones on Earth. Scratch a piece of glass or metal with your raw black stone. If it leaves a clear mark without getting damaged, there's a good chance it's genuine Carbonado. Next, the light test. Shine a strong light on the stone. Unlike white diamonds, Carbonado doesn't reflect light, instead, it absorbs it due to its deep carbon color. If the stone looks dull and opaque, that's a strong sign it's authentic. Then, the water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Real Carbonado is dense and will sink immediately, while fake stones may float or sink slowly. Finally, the heat or static test. Carbonado doesn't react easily to heat or static electricity, but fake stones might show cracks or slight changes when exposed to direct heat. In the end, you can always take the stone to a specialized lab for spectroscopic analysis to be completely sure. But with these simple methods, you can get a clear idea of how pure your stone really is. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join us as we explore more secrets from the world of rare and mysterious stones.